What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, VOLTME were kind enough to send out not one but two MagSafe battery packs for us to check out. This is part of the Mag Pack series. So it is a magnetic battery charger. If you flip them over, as you can see, there's the retail packaging. If you flip them both over, it's Mag Pack 5K magnetic battery charger. He sent one out in violet and one out in charcoal, his and hers. It is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery charger. Good enough for maybe one and a bit cycles, or maybe just one cycle and you have to recharge, but this is not how you're meant to use these. Same as the Apple MagSafe Battery Pack that we featured on the channel a lot. You're meant to use it as a sort of secondary, so basically get up, slap it on charge, charging up during the day, and then once it's up to 100%, take that off, charge that up, and you carry on with your day. You don't have to use it constantly, like sort of 100 and 100, let this die, slap it back on. You can do it that way, but then you're not getting the full use out of the battery packs. Tier 1 developer in GAN charging, Voltcare after service support, and an 18-month hassle-free warranty. Let's go ahead and let's just jump into it. We've got the trusty unboxing knife, got it with us, so let's go ahead and let's get this open. Slice on the top. Here's one, and there's two. So place that to one side. So let me go ahead and open up the charcoal one first, like so. Take it out. Okay, so you get, thank you for your purchase, VOLTME Innovations. Shows all the different things that they live to charge. So that's to one side. You get your quick start guide for your Mag Pack battery pack. So you get a nice small USB-C to USB-C cable, and it does actually say VOLTME right on the top of the cable there on both sides. There's the charging cable, and there it is. There's the first battery pack, so we'll leave that in there for now. Place that to one side, and then we'll get out the violet one, so you can see this one too. So there is the two battery packs. Let's go ahead and take them out the wrappers so we can see them properly. Little reminder, you can flip this up 90 degrees, so this is like a stand, so as you can see from there, but we'll take this off in a sec. Let me just go ahead and remove this so you can see the violet. Okay, so there it is, the violet colour. As you can see, there's the MagSafe logo on the back. This flips up. There you go, there's your kickstand. So there is the violet VOLTME battery pack. Let me know what you think of that one in the comment section. Let me know whether this one would be for you or not. Looks really, really good. Feels nice. As you say, you got that 90-degree angle there where you can stand it. Got a button on the bottom, your power button. Got a little tiny bit of charge on there. USB-C port on the side, which I'm assuming is for charging and maybe pass-through as well. I'll have to look into that and I'll let you know whether it's for pass-through or not. Same thing, reminder, fixation points worked vertically or horizontally. Obviously 90 degree. Let me go ahead and take this off. There is the charcoal VOLTME battery pack. Again, USB-C port on the side, power button on the bottom with a little bit of power in there, your MagSafe logo. There is the black VOLTME charger. Let me know what you think of that one too. So there is both of them together, the violet and the charcoal. They do other colours too, but let me know what you think of these two in the comment section down below. Place them on the phone, as you can see. As you're placing them on the phone, it uses the MagSafe, and obviously you can then flick up the standing. You can have it horizontal, or you can also have it vertical. So what you can also do with these two, you can actually leave this on your phone. You can plug in the USB-C cable right to the side right here, and then what you can do is it will charge up the phone and then it will charge up the battery pack. Let me do the test on if you can use USB-C pass-through to charge your device. So let me go ahead and take off the elastic band. Let's plug in one end like so, and then let's plug it into the phone like that. And then let's click the power button, and yeah, it does have the cable pass through to be able to charge your device without having this on the back of the phone, so it's just like an actual power bank. But then obviously you've got that MagSafe compatibility to where it can also go on the back of the phone. You've now got his and hers battery packs. You pick these up for yourself. There'll be links in the description to where you can pick these up. As you say, they do more colours besides the violet and the charcoal. There's many colours available. I think these are pretty good and they're going to come in really handy while we're travelling about, especially for the iPhone. And also with having the Pataka MagEasy Case 3 on the back on the Samsung S23, I can then go ahead and I can slap this on the back of the S23 Ultra, and I've now got a battery pack and also a nice kickstand where I can set it down, watch some content if I'm out and about. Feels really nice too. Nice comfortable grip on the back of it, but obviously these will be mostly used with the iPhone. There's the two VOLTME packs, but thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Be sure to hit the links in the description down below to pick yours up and let me know what you think of them in the comment section. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. For now guys, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon.